Hello, and welcome to English with Mr. E. We're going to master grammar, listening, and speaking together.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Mr. E, the place where learning English feels simple and friendly.
Hi, everyone. I'm Emily, and I'm really happy you are here with us today.
And I'm Mr. E. Today, we are going to talk about something that everyone in the world needs.
That's right. Today's topic is how to introduce yourself in English in a natural and confident way.
Emily, do you remember the first time you introduced yourself in English?
Oh, yes, very clearly. I was so nervous. My hands were cold and my heart was beating very fast.
That is exactly how most English learners feel.
Yes, even simple words feel hard when you are nervous.
But the good news is, when you know what to say, you feel more relaxed.
And today, we are going to give everyone a simple plan.
Emily, why do you think introductions are so important?
Because every relationship starts with an introduction.
Exactly. New friends, new jobs, new classmates, everything begins with hello.
If you cannot introduce yourself, it is very hard to make connections.
But when you introduce yourself well, people feel comfortable with you.
The first step is saying hello.
Yes, you can say hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening.
Mr. E, when do I say good night?
Good night is not for meeting someone. It is for leaving or going to sleep.
So if I meet someone at 8 p.m., I say good evening.
That's right. That sounds polite and natural. After hello, you say your name.
You can say, I am Emily, or my name is Emily.
Both are correct.
Which one should beginners use?
Easy is I am. More formal is my name is.
And if you have a nickname?
You can say, my name is Alexander, but you can call me Alex.
After your name, you talk about where you are from.
Yes, you can say, I am from India, or I am from India from Delhi.
What if I live in another country now?
Then you can say, I am from India, but I live in Canada now. Now we talk about work or study.
You can say, I am a student, I am a teacher, I work in an office.
And if someone is not working now?
They can say, I am looking for a job, or I am studying English.
This is very important. Add something you love.
Like a hobby.
Yes, you can say, I love music. I enjoy cooking. I like reading books.
This makes you more interesting.
And it helps people remember you.
After talking about myself, I ask a question.
Yes, say, how about you? Or what about you?
That keeps the conversation going.
Exactly. Let's make a full example.
Okay.
Hello, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit.
Thank you. I'm Mr. E. I'm from England. I teach English and I love coffee. How about you?
I'm Emily. I'm from Canada. I'm a podcast host and I love talking to people.
How about at work?
It is more formal.
Good morning. My name is Mark Brown. I'm from London. I work in marketing.
And at a party?
Very relaxed. Hi, I'm Mark. I'm a friend of Anna. I love movies.
What if someone says something I don't understand?
Say, sorry, can you repeat that?
Or, what does that mean?
You don't have to speak to everyone.
Just one person is enough.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Every mistake helps you grow.
Emily, introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Emily. I'm from Canada. I'm a podcast host and I love talking to people.
How about you?
Perfect. Now it's your turn.
Write your introduction in the comments. Smile.
Say hello.
Say your name.
Say where you are from.
Say what you do.
Say what you love.
Ask a question.
Thank you for learning with us today.
This is English with Mr. E.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.